Basic Photoshop tricks you need to know. Our first trick will be very useful if you are using the clone tool. If you are doing a detailed study in any study by getting very close, then this trick is for you. Now let's make a new window from the Arrange tab. The same file we are working with will open in a new tab. Then again, we select the section with 2 up horizontal or vertical from the windows, then the Arrange tab. You can choose whichever you see fit. Any changes we make in the first tab will be shown as a preview in the tab we open later. In this way, we will be able to see exactly what effect the change we made has had on the photograph. This trick will usually come in handy when using the Clone Stamp tool. Our second trick is to copy color from outside in Photoshop. We can use the brush tool or solid color for this. Let's try the brush tool first. While the brush tool is selected, we drag the color icon onto the background that we want to copy the color by holding down the Alt key. And bingo, we copied the color we wanted. Another method is the solid color method. Let's create a solid color for this. After creating the solid color, we hold down the brush tool anywhere in Photoshop. Then we move with the mouse to the floor whose color we want to copy. And we copied bingo color. Our third trick is transparent writing. Let's write one. Let's hold down the Control key and click on the text. After selecting the text, let's hover over our shape and make masking. We can say that this method has transformed our form into a kind of writing. You will not be able to change the text with this method. If we make masking while holding down the Alt key by hovering over our shape after we have selected the text, then it will remove the selected area from our shape. With this method, you cannot change the text again. Method 3, and this is the coolest method. We make the text and shape a group. And double-click on the text. We make the knockout pane shallow from the Blending Options tab, and we make the opacity 0. And bingo, we can change the text as we want. Thanks for watching me. Follow and keep supporting me to become a professional graphic designer.